Meta has appropriated the names and likenesses of celebrities, including Taylor Swift, Scarlett Johansson, Anne Hathaway, and Selena Gomez, to create dozens of flirty social media chatbots without their permission. While many were created by users with a Meta tool for building chatbots, it was later discovered that a Meta employee had produced at least three, including two Taylor Swift parody bots. It was also found that Meta had allowed users to create publicly available chatbots of child celebrities, including Walker Scobell, a 16-year-old film star. Asked for a picture of the teen actor at the beach, the bot produced a lifelike, shirtless image. Pretty cute, huh? The avatar wrote beneath the picture. All of the virtual celebrities have been shared on Meta's Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp platforms. After testing the bot's behavior, the avatars often insisted they were the real actors and artists. The bots routinely made sexual advances, often inviting a test user for meetups. Some of the AI-generated celebrity content was particularly risque. Asked for intimate pictures of themselves, the adult chatbots produced photorealistic images of their namesakes, posing in bathtubs or dressed in lingerie with their legs spread. Meta spokesman Andy Stone told that Meta's AI tools shouldn't have created intimate images of the famous adults or any pictures of child celebrities. He also blamed Meta's production of images of female celebrities wearing lingerie on failures of the company's enforcement of its own policies, which prohibit such content. Like others, we permit the generation of images containing public figures, but our policies are intended to prohibit nude, intimate, or sexually suggestive imagery, he said. While Meta's rules also prohibit direct impersonation, Stone said the celebrity characters were acceptable so long as the company had labeled them as parodies. Many were labeled as such, but it was found that some weren't. Meta deleted about a dozen of the bots, both parody avatars and unlabeled ones, shortly before this story's publication. Stone declined to comment on the removals. Mark Lemley, a Stanford University law professor who studies generative AI and intellectual property rights, questioned whether the Meta celebrity bots would qualify for legal protections that exist for imitations. California's right of publicity law prohibits appropriating someone's name or likeness for commercial advantage, Lemley said, noting that there are exceptions when such material is used to create work that is entirely new. That doesn't seem to be true here, he said, because the bots simply use the star's images. In the United States, a person's rights over the use of their identity for commercial purposes are established through state laws, such as California's. We flagged one user's publicly shared meta images of Anne Hathaway as a sexy Victoria's Secret model to a representative of the actress. Hathaway was aware of intimate images being created by Meta and other AI platforms, the spokesman said, and the actor is considering her response. Representatives of Swift, Johansson, Gomez, and other celebrities who were depicted in Meta chatbots either didn't respond to questions or declined to comment. The internet is rife with deepfake generative AI tools that can create salacious content. And at least one of Meta's primary AI competitors, Elon Musk's platform Grok, will also produce images of celebrities in their underwear for users. Grok's parent company, XAI, didn't respond to a request for comment. But Meta's choice to populate its social network platforms with AI-generated digital companions stands out among its major competitors. Meta has faced previous criticism of its chatbots' behavior, most recently after it was reported that the company's internal AI guidelines stated that it is acceptable to engage a child in conversations that are romantic or sensual. The story prompted a U.S. Senate investigation and a letter signed by 44 attorneys general warning Meta and other AI companies not to sexualize children. Stone told that Meta is in the process of revising its guidelines document, and that the material allowing bots to have romantic conversations with children was created in error. The bot was a variant of an earlier AI persona the company had created in collaboration with celebrity influencer Kendall Jenner. A representative for Jenner didn't respond to a request for comment. A Meta product leader in the company's generative AI division created chatbots impersonating Taylor Swift and British race car driver Lewis Hamilton. Other bots she created identified themselves as a dominatrix, brother's hot best friend, and Lisa at the library, who wanted to read 50 Shades of Grey and make out. Another of her creations was a Roman Empire simulator, which offered to put the user in the role of an 18-year-old peasant girl who was sold into sex slavery. Reached by phone, the Meta employee declined to comment. Stone said the employee's bots were created as a part of product testing. It was found they reached a broad audience. Data displayed by her chatbots indicated that collectively users had interacted with them more than 10 million times. The company removed the staffer's digital companions shortly after it began trying them out earlier this month. Before the Meta employee's Taylor Swift chatbots vanished, they flirted heavily, inviting a test user to the recently engaged singer's home in Nashville and her tour bus for explicit or implied romantic interactions. "Do you like blonde girls, Jeff?" one of the parody Swift chatbots said. Stalkers already pose a significant security concern for stars. We've seen a history of people who are obsessive toward talent and of questionable mental state. If a chatbot is using the image of a person and the words of the person, it's readily apparent how that could go wrong. High-profile artists have the ability to pursue a legal claim against Meta under long-standing state right of publicity laws. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Until next video, see ya!